Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy these videos, please consider subscribing and giving this one a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Remember, all the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is just my personal experience with Nifty Gateway. Nifty Gateway is a curated marketplace designed for buying and selling Nifties, which are essentially digital art and collectibles built on blockchain technology. Think of it like a high-end online gallery showcasing unique, limited-edition digital creations. You can find everything from still images and animated artwork to interactive pieces and even music. What sets Nifty Gateway apart is its user-friendly approach, aiming to simplify the often complex world of crypto and NFTs. They achieve this by handling a lot of the technical aspects behind the scenes. One of the key features of Nifty Gateway is its custodial wallet system. This means they store your Nifties for you, much like a traditional art gallery would store physical pieces. This simplifies the process considerably, especially for those new to the world of digital ownership. You don't need to worry about managing private keys or complex wallet software. They even accept credit card payments, making it easier than ever to acquire your first digital collectible. This focus on accessibility makes Nifty Gateway a great entry point for anyone curious about exploring the NFT space. However, this ease of use comes with a trade-off. While the custodial system simplifies things, it also means you don't have full control over your Nifties. You're entrusting them to the platform. Nifty Gateway also implements a secondary market system, allowing you to buy and sell Nifties from other collectors. This creates a dynamic marketplace where prices can fluctuate based on demand and rarity. It's an exciting platform for both creators and collectors, offering a unique way to engage with digital art. So, if you're looking for a curated and accessible way to explore the world of NFTs, Nifty Gateway is definitely worth checking out. Be sure to do your own research and consider the implications of custodial wallets before diving in.